What is up, YouTube, and welcome to another video. Just kind of wanted to tell you what's up with the channel, and I want to do it while putting around the KTM because I don't like sitting in front of a camera. So first I just want to properly introduce the Mustang to the channel. So this is my first project car. It is a 1994 Mustang GT. It is 5.0. I got it, water pump was out, it was running hot, head gasket blew, hydro locked a piston, reverse gear was completely out of it. So put a new trans in it, completely went through the motor. I got all the stock parts over here. I got the stock head, stock intake, all the stock pistons, the stock cam. It is a stock bore with Icon forged piston, Eagle steel rods, the high RPM rods, F303 cam. It's got an MSD distributor, the 2.5 inch cowl hood, got the saline wing. Future plans, I'm about at the last 20%. I got an F cam because this thing plans on getting boost, and I need to get wheels for it. But I also want to put 373s in the rear first because stock gears in this thing for the 94, I believe, are like the 293s or something like that. And this cam does not like these gears. But anyways, get the KTM warmed up, and we're gonna talk about what the channel's gonna be about. Maybe you can hear me. Guess I'll let it warm up a little bit more. Yeah, that's what it was. Alright, turn it out. Okay, so reasons why I started this channel. Because number one, I love dirt bikes, I love quads, and I love street bikes. I love fast cars. I like working on motors. That's just my thing, you know? So, and I'm actually pretty good at it. Don't mean to toot my own horn or anything, but not one thing has come to that shop that I have not been able to fix or make run. So, definitely a lot of content builds coming. Got a couple quads I'm looking at right now. Just not really getting a whole lot of support on this. Each video getting like 40 views, so I'm not gonna go dump some money into something if people ain't even gonna watch it, you know? That's just how it is. Because I really want to build a 10 mil stroker Banshee, but if I can't build an audience that thinks I'm gonna do it and support me in it, then why the hell would I do it, you know? But definitely a lot of cool builds coming. Gotta give me a little bit of time. It's starting to get pretty cold out here. It is 10/18, so October the 18th. And this is northern Alabama, in case you're wondering. Man, I love this KTM. I'm sure the neighbors love it too. So yeah, definitely want to get the 10 mil Banshee started. Right now it's a 392, and I got that Banshee on trade. I had a 2005 YFZ 450 that was fully built. It had a, if you're familiar with the YZs, the below the 06 isn't a true 450, it's like a 439, something like that. But so this one had the 4.4 stroker in it, so it had the longer rod as well. So making it a bigger displacement, making it the actual 450 cc's just because of the longer rod. But it also had a 480 piston in it. And God, that damn thing would rip. It needed a gear reduction though, because it did not like actual road driving at all. But you can get it to 40 like, But yeah, I traded that for that Banshee. I've never had a Banshee before. It's my first Banshee. You know, this is my first two-stroke dirt bike. That's my first two-stroke quad. I went neutral. Yeah, show the channel some love. Throw me some support. I'll throw some builds your way, I promise. Neighbors love it. I don't want to get muddy yet. Engine brake is key. I'm probably about out of SD card. Oh, and it's this Gixxer here. This Gixxer here. I'd really like to see a stroker build with it. You know, I ain't got much money in this thing as it is, because I build it, you know. It's what we do around here. Got a bunch of Gixxer parts right there. Give you a little taste since I got the GoPro on. Everything's cold, man. Everything in this bitch cold. There we go. Yep. Too chilly for that shit. Make sure to like the video, comment below, subscribe. You know, throw some ideas out there. Give me some video ideas. Don't be afraid to comment. Don't be afraid to subscribe. It's a brand new channel. I ain't gonna bite. I'm gonna try my best not to bore you too bad, you know, like. But yeah, just let me know. I'll be having some more projects coming through here. I do have this CBR over here that I sold to a buddy, but I might buy it back and turn it into a street fighter, because it's been sitting in the same exact condition since when I got it. Because whenever I got it, I actually bought it with another bike. I got this bike with a 2003 Gixxer 750, and it had a 600 motor on it, dropped a valve in it, and then I completely rebuilt that 750, and then ended up getting rid of that bike. So and then I got the 1000. That's just how it is.